Undi, I welcome you to day 3 of your 21-day Ndebele challenge. Like we said, we want to take you each day and help you use your Ndebele, right? We practice your Ndebele, you see if you are correct in the things that you say. Okay, so today let's see if you know how to introduce people, different people, such as my boyfriend, my girlfriend, my grandfather, right? So let me start by giving you a simple A or B quiz. All right. Number 1, my boyfriend. Is that ijaha lami or ijaha yami? What's your answer? It's A, ijaha lami, isn't it? 2, my girlfriend. Intombi yami or intombi lami? Which one is it? Again, the answer is A, intombi yami. And it. Moving on to 3, my husband. A, umgami. B, indoda yami. Which one is it? It's both. If you want to say my spouse, you want to refer to him as my spouse, say umgami. But if you want to say my man, then you can say indoda yami. Both are correct. All right. And then 4, my younger sister. A, udadewethu. And B, umnawami. Which one is it? It's B, right? Umnawami is my younger sister. What about A? Udadewethu means my elder sister. And it. 5, you want to say my love. A, isithandwa sami. B, uthando lwami. Which one is it? We're talking about a person. So your answer is going to be isithandwa sami. Make sense? All right. Now, you want to introduce your person, right? You want to get somewhere and say, this is my boyfriend, this is my husband, this is my, what else? My grandfather. Let's see if you can do that. 1, ijaha, my boyfriend. How do you introduce him? Leli lijaha lami. Is that what you said? Leli lijaha lami. All right. How do you introduce your girlfriend? Say le yintombi yami. All right? Le yintombi yami. You want to introduce your love by saying, this is my darling. What do you say, Nesindebe? Lesi yisithandwa sami. That's what you say. And lesi yisithandwa sami. What about my spouse? You want to use umgami and you want to introduce your spouse to someone else? You say lo. Lo ngumgami. And lo ngumgami. What about your grandfather? Uyathini? Lo ngukhulu wami. I want you to notice the pattern. All the time that we say umgami, ukhulu wami, ugogo wami, umama wami, you say lo. Lo ngumama wami is optional. Lo ngugogo. Lo ngugogo wami is up to you. Lo ngukhulu wami. Make sense? Awesome. Now, I'm going to leave you with Ingobe, the challenge, right? In Ndebele, we call it Ingobe when we're talking about a challenge. So you'll notice there is a pattern of 3 words. Umntanami, umgami, umnawami. All right. So for these words, I want you to introduce these people. Let's do it in the comments. You want to say, this is my younger sister. This is my child. This is my spouse. And umgami, umnawami, umntanami. How do you introduce them to someone else? Put it in the comments and we'll be sure to check it and mark it for you. We'll see you in the next challenge on day 4. Bye for now.